Hey everyone, if you're trying to export a guide in Guidde AI and keep getting an export failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most common fixes for Guidde AI export failures in 2026. First, refresh the page and try the export again. Temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt the export process, and a simple refresh may solve the problem. Next, check your internet connection. Guidde relies on cloud-based processing when generating and exporting content, so a weak or unstable connection can cause exports to fail. Make sure your guide has finished processing completely before attempting to export it. If screenshots, voiceovers, or AI-generated content are still being processed, the export may not complete successfully. Another common solution is signing out of your Guidde account and signing back in. This refreshes your session and can resolve temporary account-related issues. If you're exporting a guide with AI voiceovers, check whether all audio files have been generated properly. Missing or incomplete voiceovers can sometimes cause export errors. You should also update your browser to the latest version. Older browsers may have compatibility issues that affect exporting and downloading files. And that's how to fix Guidde AI export failed errors in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, updating your browser, clearing cache, or waiting for processing to finish will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.